How to turn off location on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Now click on your profile option, the second one. It will take you to your profile. Click on edit profile. Now click on profile and privacy option. And on this page you will find many options, and search for location and you will find it off. Click on it and now you will be able to turn it off from here if it is on. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.